How to sign up for an Amazon Prime Video subscription. Amazon Prime Video offers both standalone subscriptions and full Amazon Prime memberships, giving users access to a vast collection of movies, TV shows, and Amazon originals. The sign-up process is simple and can be done online or through the Prime Video app. 1. Visit the Amazon Prime Video website. Open a web browser and go to the Amazon Prime Video sign-up page. Alternatively, you can access the sign-up option via the Prime Video app on your device. 2. Click on Sign Up or Start your subscription. Choose between Prime Video only or Amazon Prime membership, which includes Prime Video and additional perks. 3. Sign in or create an Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, click Create a New Account. Then enter your name, email, and password. Select a subscription plan. Amazon offers different plans based on your preferences. Prime Video only subscription, $8.99 per month for streaming movies and shows only. Full Amazon Prime membership, $14.99 per month or $139 per year. Includes Prime Video, free shipping, Prime Music, and other perks. Ad-free upgrade, additional $2.99 per month for ad-free streaming. Enter payment information. A valid credit or debit card is required. Some regions may allow alternative payment methods, such as digital wallets. 6. Confirm and start watching. After entering payment details, confirm your subscription. You now have full access to Prime Video's library, including Amazon Originals, movies, and TV shows. 7. Manage your subscription. You can check your plan under your account, then manage Prime membership. If needed, you can change plans, update payment methods, or cancel the subscription at any time. 8. Device compatibility and features. Watch Prime Video on smart TVs, mobile devices, Fire TV, Roku, gaming consoles, and web browsers. Features include offline downloads, multiple user profiles, and 4K streaming, where available. By signing up for Amazon Prime Video, you gain access to a diverse selection of entertainment options. Whether you choose Prime Video only or the full Amazon Prime membership, you can enjoy exclusive content, flexible plans, and high-quality streaming on multiple devices.